Hey everyone, welcome back to Twinges. So today we're still doing some food. We're doing some furikake today.
Furikake.
What's that? Furikake is furikake. Furikake is like a topping or sprinkles that you put on top of white rice to give it a bit more of a zest.
Zest.
That's my new word, my popular word. I like using that recently.
I do.
So we've got a lot of different furikake, lots of different flavors, lots of different types. Some are very... I've tried a few. Have you tried all of these?
食べたことないのいっぱいある。
Oh, okay.
これも、これも、これも、これも、これも。
I think it's become more popular recently, the furikake. The one that I know the most is gomashio. Gomashio is it's the furikake you have to avoid eating plain white rice when you have no money to buy food.
そんな悲しい言い方しなかった。
College students, yeah, it's very plain, but it's really delicious. So gomashio is sesame and salt. Simple sesame and salt. I think we start with gomashio, the old favorite. So the packs are really nice and easy to use. You just tear it open and it's resealable like a Ziploc bag. So it's really easy to use. So we've prepared some bite-sized chunks of rice.
かわいいこれ。
Bite-sized chunks of rice. So we're just going to try and carefully sprinkle, skilled in the art of furikake.
随分かけるね。
I
ごまだらけで。
put a lot of sesame. Okay, let's try it. Cheers.
Cheers.
1, 2, 3. Oh, that's excellent.
ごまうまい。
That's really good.
好きなの？
It's very plain, but the salt gives it a really good taste. Don't put too much on it because it can be a little salty.
あ、ごま美味しいな。
Yeah, the black sesame is really good, and you can also put some on your finger and have a look. That's really good. Is that roasted sesame? It's roasted black sesame. So regular sesame that becomes black. Next, okay. So that was that. Do you want to do a ranking or just want to eat it?
最後に一番好きなの選ぶ。
Okay, let's do that then. All right.
テリマヨ。
Teri mayo.
食べたことない。
Teri mayo, teriyaki, and mayonnaise flavor. Okay, so yeah, okay, that's not right.
食べたことない。
So they have an image of like a full meal, that if you sprinkle this on rice, you're eating a full meal. Oh, it smells like it. It smells, yeah, it has a mayonnaise smell. You just sprinkle it on.
おー、上手。
Usually you'd have a larger bowl of rice that you just...
マイルドだね。
I was going to say being a little more careful. Not being careful. Just have fun with it. Teriyaki and mayonnaise. It has some yellow parts.
卵。
Which is egg. Oh my god. Not a big fan of that.
美味しいけどさ。
It's, yeah. But I think if you had a lot, you'd feel a bit sick later.
本当？
Yeah.
すごい。濃い。
Terry mayo. Yeah. Could you do me a favour? Okay, so it's my turn to choose something. Cheese curry.
Cheese curry soboro.
美味しそう。
Soboro is chicken. And this is not a dry type. This is a soft type. A moist kind of soft type. It doesn't. If you listen to that, that's the dry type. No, you don't need to. It's not a musical instrument. That doesn't have a sound. No, just
ハー
stop.
モニーだよ。
We're not in an orchestra. Ooh, that's very curry-ish.
もうこれ。
Okay. That actually smells really good.
そぼろだ、本当に。まあいいや。
Well, you see, you put it on another plate and you can get it on the bottom as well. Okay, let's try.
これは美味しそうだね。
Well, that's really good.
Curry.
Yeah, curry. Delicious. I like that. Cheese curry.
辛い。
Yeah, it's good.
お子様カレーの味。
Alright, go for the next one. What's next?
手羽？
Yama-chan.
手羽？
Teba. Chicken wing flavor
名古屋名物って書いてある。
from Nagoya, which is down south from us. Fried chicken wing flavor. I mean, you can't go wrong. Is it? It's dry.
あ、それやりたかったんだ。
Yeah, okay. Let's. You always got to do stupid stuff. What is that? How do you? Yeah, okay. Oh, that's not a lot in there. Hang on. The packet's this big. I'm going to show you. Furikake goes up to there. So this is all air. Have you tried this before?
No.
First time?
First time.
種類いっぱいだからね、ふりかけ。
Yeah, there's literally hundreds of different kinds. We've just grabbed, I think about 10 or 11 today. Let's give it a go. I like it.
Really?
Yeah. Do You don't like that? I like that. That's really nice. Tastes nothing like chicken wings though. I don't know how to describe the taste. Like when you have fried chicken and parts of the skin comes off, that's what it tastes like on the rice. I like that. I like that. What do you think? I'm the only one who likes it. Okay, that's more for me. Good actually. Well, hang on. Oh, it's my choice, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
My choice.
あ、そうだ。
I've got to go for this one. No explanation needed. Just look at the packet.
超
Okay.
焼肉。
焼肉。
Is this
焼肉だけじゃない。超だよ、超。
is this dry? Yes,
dry.
it's dry. What does that smell like? It doesn't have a meat. Yeah, what kind of smell's that?
カーボン？
炭。
Ah, charcoal.
チャコ
Smells like charcoal.
焼肉レストランの匂いだ。
Yeah. After you have a barbecue and you have the grills all dirty
Yeah.
and you clean it, that's the smell it is. Try and sop up that little bit on the side. Put it on it. Yeah.
わあ、でっかいので。
I know, it's all chunky. I'm waiting for a reaction before I put it in my mouth. No, it's alright.
ちょっとスイー
It's a little sweet. A little burnt taste, a little sweet taste.
あ、焼肉の味だ。
Yeah, it's not too bad. Then we'll just
美
try
味しい。
it. Try without the rice. No rice. No.
ト。
You have to have it with the rice. Oh my god.
ストーン
Oh, that's really salty. Please have furikake with rice. Don't do what I just did. Oh my god, that's really salty. My
血圧
god.
大丈夫？
Yeah. That's not funny. I'm not going to translate what she just said. Oh, and you just dropped your chopsticks. Ah. Talk about instant karma. This is yukari and
わかな。
wakana. So what's that? Seaweed? Oh, vegetable. It's a vegetable.
緑の野菜。
It's a
わかなっ
green,
て野菜だよ。
an unidentified green vegetable. And this is shiso. Shiso. Shiso's a
Akajiso.
Japanese herb. So these ones, you don't put it on top. You mix it into the rice, like an onigiri style. But here's some we made earlier. So one's very purple, one's very green for the.
お弁当っぽい。日本
Yeah,
のお弁
you,
当っぽい。
yeah, you put this in a Japanese lunchbox in a bento. You go first with the yukari. I'm not a big fan. So
Okay.
I'll go second with that
で
one.
この濃いやつ食べたい。
We'll go you, Bob. Yep.
Yeah.
Have the strong one. Yeah, okay. You have the other one. Okay, I'm not. One good.
うわ
Oh, just drop some. Excuse me. No. Then let's try the other green one. Okay, we're gonna take it first. You take the first bit.
ー、でっかいの取ってね。
This is the green vegetable, the
あんまり食べ
unidentified.
たことないかも。
Oh, it's my first time too. It looks okay. It looks like seaweed.
野菜。
Yeah, it's okay. Takes.
ビッツソーティ
Yeah. Tastes like salt. But I mean, to be honest, it's better than just plain white rice.
ヘルシー？
Yeah, it is healthy. It is healthy, yeah. Alright, so we have 4 remaining.
これ気になる。これ。
Cream stew. Yeah, no, this looks actually pretty good.
クリームシチュー
So in Japan they have in a box you can buy the cream stew. Was it like the blocks that you add to water and you make a cream stew?
ホワイトシチュー。
And we discovered this the other day. They now have it in furikake flavor. Cabbage.
テンション下がってる。
Yes, he doesn't like carrots. No, that's not carrot. That's pumpkin.
あ
パンプキンだ。
Yeah, it's
あサイ
pumpkin.
うるさいな。
Get into it. How was it?
う
Oh,
ん、美味しい。シチュー。
no.
シチュー。
Oh, that's really good.
なんかごま入ってるシチュー美味しい。
You like that? That's right.
うん。
Oh, that's really good. Wow, that's really delicious. And he's not saying a word, so and he's eating all of it. What do you think? It's all right?
Yeah.
That's actually all right, isn't it? Recommend. That's really good. Yeah, that's really really good. Okay, I want to try this one. Shantan. It's
シャンタン。
shantan. I don't know how to describe it. When you make fried rice, you add a bit of this in there. Not this, but the actual real stuff.
ここにある写真。これ。
Oh, okay, there's one in the front too.
あ、本当だ。
You put this in
え、
it.
ペーストなんだ
It's
よ
like a
ね。
paste, which they made into a furikake. So it's got to be good.
使ったことないけ
It
ど。
should taste like fried rice.
あ、ペース
It's all coming apart.
ト。頑張れ。あ、いい匂いする。美味しいんでしょ、静かだから。絶対そう。
Good.
A little salty, but it has a good black pepper taste. You can taste the black pepper. I like that. That's good. Nice black pepper. Yeah.
ちょっと大人な
So no, it actually tastes. It's an adult's
Pepper.
taste.
Pepper.
Yeah, the pepper. The black pepper tastes like fried rice. Told you. Can we have some little more rice?
はい。
Okay, we've got 2 to go. 2 left. Noritama. This is a stock standard favourite. I suppose in Australia it'll be like the Vegemite of Furikake.
ロングセラーだよね。
Or the PB&J in America of Furikake. Noritama, seaweed, and I'm talking.
Hi.
Don't talk over me. You can't hear.
いいじゃん、喋った。
Seaweed and egg. Noritama. Nori is seaweed. Tamago is egg. This is a stock standard Furikake with the first one we had. I'm not listening. Again, no listening. I'm thinking what my favourite is now. I'm not a big fan of this.
そうだ。
Yeah, it's alright.
美味しい。いつも美味しい。
Not my favourite. Nah. If you don't like seaweed, it's a very strong seaweed taste. I mean, it's okay. Nothing special. Alright, what's this last one?
大人のふりかけ、鮭。
Adult flavoured furikake. Adult flavoured? Furikake for adults. The flavour is shake. Again, it has a lot of seaweed, so if you're not a big fan, wouldn't recommend it. And this pack is a little different. Oh, they're individual. Okay, well that's actually pretty handy. That's mine. The one that doesn't have a lot on it.
鮭食べれるでしょ？
It's actually good. Yeah, it's good. Not as salty. Not as salty as the other ones.
海苔うまい。
The seaweed's good. Yeah, that's actually okay. A lot better than I thought it was going to be like. Yeah, I don't mind that.
なんか大人のっていうタイトルがわかる。
Alright, so out of all of these ones, which one's your favourite? Really?
Oh.
Hold it up.
これに勝つなのよ。絶対これ一番。
Yeah. Mine would be a toss-up, the cheese curry and the chicken wing skin flavoured.
どっちよ。
Yeah, it's a toss-up. I like these two. Probably all-time favourites, this one, because it's just, you know, brings back memories. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, leave us a like and a comment. And again, see you next time.
See you!
Bye.